My dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all keeping well. In class 6th, you have learnt about some fibers obtained from plants, isn't it? You also learned that wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece, that is, hair of sheep or yak. Do you know which part of the sheep's body yields fibers? Are you aware how these fibers are converted into the woolen yarn that we buy from the market to knit sweaters? Okay, my dear students, in this class, we shall try to find answers to these questions. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak, and some other animals. These wool yielding animals bear hair on their body. Do you know why these animals have a thick coat of hair? Hair keeps these animals warm and protects them from cold. Now let us study the animals that yield wool. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. However, the fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool. Though wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool, yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goats, found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Wool is also obtained from goat hair. The underfur of Kashmiri goat is soft. It is woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawls. The fur or the hair on the body of camels is also used as wool. Llama and alpaca, found in South America, also yield wool. Now let us learn how wool is made from fibers. Sheep are reared in many parts of our country for wool. Certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on their body which yields good quality wool in large quantities. Once the reared sheep have developed a thick growth of hair, hair is shaved off for getting wool. Now let us study the steps and processing fibers into wool. The wool which is used for knitting sweaters or for weaving shawls is the finished product of a long process which involves the following steps. Step 1. The fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. Machines similar to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. Usually, hair are removed during the hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provide woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. Step 2. The sheared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust, and dirt. This is called scouring. Nowadays, scouring is done by machines. Step 3. After scouring, sorting is done. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Step 4. The small fluffy fibers called burrs are picked out from the hair. These are the same burrs which sometimes appear on your sweaters. The fibers are scoured again and dried. This is the wool ready to be drawn into fibers. Step 5. The fibers can be dyed in various colors, as the natural fleece of sheep and goats is black, brown, or white. Step 6. The fibers are straightened, combed, and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters, and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. Thus, the processing of fiber into wool can be represented as follows: shearing, followed by scoring, sorting, cleaning of burrs, dyeing, and rolling. Okay, my dear students, till now we have studied about different types of animals that yields wool and the steps involved in processing fibers into wool. In the next class, we shall learn about the silk. Till then, be safe. Be warm by wearing woolen cloths. Nice time. Bye.